Are you looking to build a stronger core for better health and improved performance? Hi, I'm Dr. Grant Lisetor of Greater Life Chiropractic. In our previous video, we talked about essential reasons it is so important to keep a strong and balanced core. In case you haven't seen that, I'll put a link in the description below. Now today, I'll guide you through some effective exercises to strengthen your core right from the comfort of your home. Get ready to transform your core strength. We will get started in just 10 seconds. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Grant, and at Greater Life Chiropractic, we believe in empowering our practice members with knowledge and tools to enhance their health. Now let's explore some of these effective exercises to strengthen your comprehensive core. Let's dive in. Core Exercises Guide. Plank. Let's start with the classic plank. It's a fantastic exercise for building endurance in both the abs and back, along with stabilizing muscles. Hold a plank position, ensuring your body forms a straight line, head to heels. Aim for 30 seconds to start, and as you build strength, try to extend your time. Bird dog. Next we have the bird dog, which is also known as the quadruped exercise. This exercise works the erector spinae, rectus abdominis, and glutes. These muscles allow for correct movement, control, and stability of the whole body. It's an ideal exercise for people with low back concerns, including hypermobility, and it can develop good balance and posture. Overall, it will enhance core stability. Begin on all fours, extend one arm forward while stretching the opposite leg back. Hold for a few seconds, then switch. This not only strengthens the core, but also improves balance. Dead bug. The dead bug exercise is great for engaging the deep core muscles without straining the low back. And fortunately, this can be performed without any equipment. It only requires your body weight. In case you were wondering, it is called dead bug because the position on the floor resembles a dead bug. The more technical name is a lumbar stabilization exercise. Here's how you do it. Lie on your back with your arms extended upward and legs raised with knees bent. Slowly lower opposite arm and leg towards the floor. Return to start and switch sides. Focus on keeping your core tight throughout the movement. Russian twist, also known as Romanian twist. Work your abdominal muscles and obliques, but also your hip flexors, shoulders, and upper back. They strengthen rotational movement, which translates to a ton of sports like baseball, football, tennis, martial arts, and hockey. Not to mention lots of everyday tasks. Here's how to do them. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, lean back slightly, and twist your torso from side to side. For added difficulty, hold a medicine ball or a dumbbell as you twist. I will note with this, it is very important if you add weight, keep your heels off the ground. If you keep your heels on the ground while you're doing that twist, it's going to add what's called a lumbar shear force, which can cause a lower back injury. So if you're using weight, the rule of thumb, heels off the ground. Bridge. The bridge exercise primarily strengthens your glutes, your butt muscles, and your hamstrings, the muscles in the back of your thigh. Along with strengthening, doing bridges increases stability in your core and back muscles. This move can also stretch muscles in your chest, abdomen, and shoulders. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling and create a straight line from your knees to your shoulders. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. It's crucial to understand why strengthening your core involves much more than just focusing on your abs. The core is the body's central link connecting your upper and lower body. It encompasses not only the abdominal muscles, but also the muscles around your hips, your back, and your glutes. A strong core is essential for almost every movement of the body and serves as a foundation for stability and strength. Why focus beyond the abs? While the abs play a key role in core stability, they work best when supported by the rest of the core musculature. Strong abs contribute to better posture and can help reduce low back pain, but they're just one part of the core system. Hips. The musculature around your hips are crucial for movement and stability. Strengthening these muscles can improve your balance, enhance your agility, and contribute to a more stable core, which is vital for both daily activities and athletic performance. Back. The back muscles are integral to core strength and stability. A strong back supports proper posture and spinal alignment, reducing the risk of back pain and injuries. It's essential to strengthen these muscles to support the spine and maintain overall core integrity. Glutes. Often overlooked in core workouts are the glutes, or the muscles around your buttocks. The glutes are the powerhouse for strength and stability. Strong glutes support the lower back, enhance movement efficiency, and contribute to a stronger, more balanced core. Integrating all these components into your core workout ensures a well-rounded approach to core strength, enhancing your overall physical health and functionality. Let's keep this holistic perspective in mind with core exercises designed to build strength not just in your abs, but in your hips, back, and glutes, as well as creating a solid foundation for your body's movement and stability. If someone has a weakened core, they will be more likely to experience a spinal injury, which is one of the leading causes of disability. Pairing these exercises with preventative chiropractic care is a solid formula to greatly reduce your risk of spinal injury. Integrating these exercises into your routine can significantly improve your core strength, which is essential for overall health and injury prevention. Remember, consistency is key to seeing progress. Start with what feels manageable and then gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's normal to experience, quote unquote, the burn, but if any of these exercises are painful, stop immediately. Do not attempt to push through the pain. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips from Greater Life Chiropractic. Your journey to better health is important to us, and we're here to support you every step of the way. For your personalized guidance, or if you're experiencing any discomfort while exercising, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Greater Life Chiropractic. Here's to your stronger core and a healthier you.